In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag Manager in Blogger. This is a crucial step for anyone looking to track user interactions on their Blogger website or to manage tags efficiently. I'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring that it's straightforward and easy to understand. First, head over to the Google Tag Manager website. You'll need to sign in using your Google account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but that's a different topic. Once you've signed in, look for the option to create account. Enter a name for your account. This is just an identifier to help you, so it could be your name or your business's name. Next, select your country from the drop-down list. Then you'll need to add a container name. This is typically your website's domain, like example.com. Be sure to choose web as the platform since we're setting this up for a Blogger website. Click on Create and don't forget to accept the terms of service to proceed. With your container now set up, Google Tag Manager will provide you with two code snippets. The first one is the head code, which needs to be placed inside the section of your site. The second is the body code, which goes immediately after the opening tag. Keep this window open as you'll need these codes shortly. Before diving into the next steps, it's important to back up your Blogger theme. Go ahead and sign into your Blogger account. Select the blog you want to modify and navigate to the theme section. There you'll see a small V menu next to the Customize button. Click on it and select Backup or Backup/Restore. This will prompt you to download your current theme, providing security in case anything goes wrong. Now it's time to edit the Blogger theme. Staying on the theme page, click that V menu again, but this time select Edit HTML. Your Blogger theme code will appear, ready for editing. To add the head code, you can use a simple search command. Press Ctrl+F if you're using Windows or CMD+F on a Mac. Type in and hit Enter to locate it within the code. Once you've found it, paste the first Google Tag Manager code right after the opening tag. This places the necessary tracking script where it can load quickly. Next, locate the opening tag. You can search for in the code, or you might find it manually by scrolling. Once you've got it, paste the second GTM code right after the opening tag. Some themes may have attributes within the tag, so ensure you insert the new code immediately after the tag without altering those attributes. Finally, you need to save your changes. Locate the Save button at the top of your Blogger theme editor and click it. Allow a moment for Blogger to update your theme with the new changes. And there you have it. Your Google Tag Manager is now integrated with your Blogger site, ready to enhance your data tracking capabilities.